Hey guys, welcome to my channel and happy new year to all of my fans, my subscribers, my viewers. Happy new year, and I wish for you all a very prosperous one. So for this video today, we're having a soup special. Yes, there's chicken and chicken foot, right? So here is the pumpkin, the Irish and the chocho. Cut them up already, right? And we have some other more things to add to this soup, like with carrots, and as we go along I'll show you how we prepare this soup. It's a soup special, guys. Yes, people. So guys, here is the pot, the water for the soup. So you have to make this warm to add your pumpkin and your meat. That's how I do it. And I already added a tooth of salt, not much. So here are the pumpkins added and the meat, and I'm just going to cover this to boil. Right, when the pumpkins are cooked, I'm going to take them out, crush them, and add them back to the water for the coloring and the body of the soup. And I will be showing you that in the next step. So stay tuned, guys. Add in my vegetables. So guys, this is the soup coming down to par. Guys, so the color is rich, and I don't add my cock soup as yet. So the pumpkin was really good. It gave me a really nice rich color for my soup. So I'm going to add my additives now, like my scallion and my thyme, season up my soup pot, add my cock soup. Yes, people. See it here now, people. Soup is all ready. Soup special. It's all ready. See, okay guys, soup is ready. So thank you for staying tuned to my video, to my channel. Continue to be my loyal supporters and subscribers as I try to give you as much cooking videos as I can. Thank you all so much, guys, and I hope the person that gets this soup really do enjoy it. Yes, rich and thick, nice soup done by me.